front of us over there.
Attacking us!
The 우리 앞에 있는 그 body 어디 그 소리 내고 있어. Do you see it?
Never mind. It's not there.
Where is it?
It's not there. It's over.
There's more than one pink ball. You know that?
없네.
I don't see
저기
it.
있어. 그다음에 저기
No,
있어.
it's not that one. It's. Ooh, it went far.
왠지 그 안에 있는 거 같지? 안에.
There.
누나, there's more than one.
There.
아니면 우리 배 밑에 가서.
뱀이
누나.
Ah! It's under us.
Yes, it is. It's under us.
Ah!
누나. 이제 가자.
Under attack.
누나.
Scary.
누나.
Yes?
Should we go now?
Where?
Go over there and retire?
No.
Because of this ball.
Be brave, Joseph.
That's attacking us.
Be brave.
But if we drown, it's your fault.
It's okay. I can live with that.
Because.
Look, string.
가자. 빨리 가자.
Why do we stop?
Because he made us stop.
How dare you?
Luna, isn't this kind of scary?
No, we're in a duck. How can it be scary?
Is this
Duck boats.
Is this fun?
Okay, what?
Is this fun?
Fun.
저선 이제 저쪽으로 가자. Get out the
Where?
boat. Okay?
There?
Yeah.
That's kind of far.
여기 수영해가지고 저기 가야 돼.
Swim?
저기서 점프해가지고.
Inside to go.
What?
Oh.
Water.
Luna, it's time to go now. What? It's time to go. Let's go. 너 혼자 할게. 너 혼자 할게. 너 혼자 할게.
이 밑에 그게 있어 잘 안 돼.
너 혼자 할게.
Joseph wants to do it by himself.
밑에 거기 있어.
공이.
Yes, the ball is under us.
진짜로? 안 보이는데?
That's why it's under us.
Is it up there?
Somewhere over there.
걸리자.
오케이, 가자. 너도 운전하자. 너도 운전하고 얘 똑같이. 같이.
This is so weird.
Yeah, this is mysterious.
Mysterious.
Luna, you know the head's right over there?
Because you know how your paddling is under here and it's right there? Yeah. The ball is like right in the middle somewhere.
Luna, but it must be over there because that
Over here.
very in the front, that's exactly where it spins the thing.
It spins like, right there.
Right under me, you mean?
Over there.
Right in front of me. No, for your safety.
Ball.
If you fall, you get the ball.
Ow. Luna, it's too bumpy.
Luna,
What?
if you fall, stop. Luna, if
Yes?
you fall, then you, Luna,
Yeah?
if we fall, then you get the ball out of under there.
Okay. I'll
And then
swim
we'll-
under the boat.
Then we'll let you drown while we go over there.
Okay.